Very welcome to this short overview about all drug dictionaries and functionalities in pharmacy.com. Just by entering a search term in our iSpec search, which is a Google-like search, which gives you the opportunity to search in 20 drug dictionaries at the same time. You get an overview about which databases this search string has been found. For example, our drug pricing database with all the economic data and price comparison for the German market, or our German SMPC drug dictionary with all the important details on German drugs and generics, such as SMPC, leaflet, and ATC code. We have the recent news actualized really daily with risk news from the German Federal Drug Institute. We have a dossier on active ingredients, which include also pharmacological and toxicological information concerning the active ingredients, the pharmaceutical ingredients dictionary, which is really a list of worldwide used pharmaceutical substances in all countries, or our Rote Liste, which is a subset of the German drug dictionary, the internationally authorized medicinal products with more than 120,000 international drugs and brand names, generics and original products, Swiss drug dictionary with all the Swiss products in the Swiss market, and the same authorized products for the Austrian market, and our archive about deleted German drugs. So just by clicking on the name of the drug dictionary, you will get an overview about the list, and by clicking once more, then you have the it will close itself. By selecting this button, you get directly in this drug dictionary a very short overview about all the most important information about these products. So this is a unique ID, and up to all the prices you see listed here. And to get more detailed information, just click on the PZN, and you get the different aspects of this product, like price information, legal information, reference to other packages, data of validity, and also the different jumping possibility, for example, to the German SMPC drug dictionary, where you can see the product pictures. You can jump into the SMPC, exactly the same with the leaflets, for example. You get also directly the leaflet of the product, or you have the photos, pictures of the dosage forms. So a very detailed information, and just by clicking on, for example, ATC code, you have the possibility to search for all the comparable products, and also jump into our interaction checking tool, the clinical decision support, where you may enter different brand names or substances and get information about drug interaction and different risks such as allergies. You may choose here and get there the information about the different types of risk in this case. Here, starting from the databases, you may jump also directly in our transparency list, which is a very good starting point for comparing prices in the German market, such as prices for Abilify. Just by clicking on one product and the transparency list, well, that was a not really very good example. Just let me choose this one here. Sorry for that. You have here an overview about the market. We have a certain fixed price in Germany, which is 130 euro 70 in this case. And the both first products are more expensive, and the other ones are under this price. So the lowest price is the product from BB Pharma SRL. that was a very short overview for all these databases. We have more detailed information in form of videos or also in our go.pharmacy.com website, where you have a description of all the databases, very detailed. And you have here also the possibility to schedule a demo, which is free of charge, and where you may get your date for an introduction webinar. Thank you very much for your time and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.